Hi, and when you get your visor packs, it will consist of two items. You have your headband section for fitting onto your head, and you have your visor sheet for fitting round. Now, your visor sheet will be pre-punched with 6 different holes, and you have to fasten this on like this. So the first one, you hook in through here, and it would then be hanging inwards, so that when it wraps round, this part faces inwards. You then push it all the way to the little pokey out pointy bit, and you roll round for the next one. Now, when you're doing this one, it's easiest if you face it up and hook it in this way, because when you get to this point again, the sheet needs to be facing inwards towards your face, and then you push that side up to the nub as well, and you can then pull the front of the sheet round and fasten onto the front 2 holes like that. And then you can pull the side sections and fasten through the side holes like this. And there we go. So your face visor is now securely in position with a 6-point fixing, and you can wear it. There we go. So, if you find that your head isn't quite as large, you can also put either a rubber band through these sections or a hairband through there just to pull it tighter. Although, I don't tend to find that being an issue. And there we go.